Hey, my name is Cameron Schoch, and I will be telling you a little bit about my capstone project I did for devCodeCamp. It is called Ship, and basically it's a little Uber Eats lookalike kind of thing where as a person, I can log in, place an order from Walmart, a deliverer will approve the order, take it, go to Walmart, purchase whatever goodies I wanted, and deliver it back to you. And as a customer, I can actually see the deliverer real time coming towards me so I know where he is at on his route. Well, there's a rating system so you know like 4 or 5 stars, how good they are. Really simple, just application that improves the way of watching your football game and needing those chips and dip. And thank you for watching.
Hello, welcome to Chip Ship. Right now, we are at the home screen for a registered user who has gone through the registration process, set up his account, and he has already currently set up his address, so we don't have to mess with anything. We can just jump straight into showing you how this application works. Now, right now in the cart, he has nothing in there. He has not looked at to purchase anything. He has not added anything. It's just the simple plain cart you would have right when you boot your account. And as you can see, he has a delivery charge of $8.08 and a final price of $8.08 as well, due to the fact that the delivery is found $2 for every mile to your nearest Walmart, as we are only using a Walmart API for this project at current integration, and it is also found via a Google Maps distance API to find the exact mileage and all that to stay fairly accurate to what the actual cost should be. Okay, now that we've checked out the cart and the home screen, now we can look into actually putting things into the cart. Now first off, we just go up to the search bar up here, and then we can type in whatever our heart desires from our local Walmart. Of course, food only. So let's say we want some Doritos today. Let's say if I can just type correctly. There we go. We can go ahead and search, and these are the top 10 results for Doritos at a local Walmart. Now, we want just a standard 1-ounce bag, not so cheese flavored, keeping it simple, and we now have these Doritos in our cart today. And we can add multiple amounts of Doritos, and the number of the amount will, of course, go up, price reflecting that, and we can add as many items into our cart as we want. And then all we have to do when we decide that is our okay, we're final price and we want to order this, we click pay with card. We put in an email right now. It doesn't matter because this is just a test. So it's just a valid email. Card number, we will use a test card. And test numbers. Here we go. And hit pay. Now it will obviously check to make sure the card is a valid card, and if it is a valid card, it will go through. As you just saw, the order is waiting to be accepted by a deliverer, or if it's not a valid card, it will fail and you will be redirected to put in an actual card. Now we are just going to log out of the registered user account and go over to the test deliver account, and logged in here. And we can go view orders. Right now, we do not have any active orders. You can only take one order at a time, but since we do not have any active, we can see test user 1 at test.com does have an order he would like to be picked up. We can click it, and we can see his address, 141 Main Street. His customer rating is a 4 out of 5, so pretty good, pretty solid. All he wants is a bag of Doritos with a total price being $4.49, so you can expect what to pay. Now we say, yeah, that's an order we would like to accept, so we accept the order. And that redirects us, and it will give us a shopping list of all the items he ordered, the amount he ordered, and the continued price, so we know if we're meeting what we should meet on the final price. We're not paying anything over of what he requested that he was going to pay. And if anything were to fail, we can send a message, and that message will go through on the main his shopping cart screen, so that he will see, hey, please call me. Hey, they don't have these Doritos. Would you like a different kind? And they can get in contact and work that out. Now, we have gone through, we've checked out, we have what we need, so we will purchase the order. And now that we've purchased the order, it will again tell us the shopping list of everything we needed just to make sure we got everything perfect for the customer today. The address, of course, so we know exactly where we're going, the name of the user, and a map to show where in the area it is. And now at this current address, I am using a Jimmy John's address, and it is, of course, right there. So then we will wait and we'll be delivering the address, and we'll keep this page open while we're delivering it. We will also be keeping this page open so that way it will be tracking the deliverer real time where he is on his route to the user delivering the food items that the user ordered. Now, we can log off and we can actually log in as if we were the user checking on our order. And we will just click the cart button again because that is our cart that we currently ordered. It will again show everything that we ordered, the price, everything, so you can expect what you're getting. In case you ordered something, there it is. It will actually tell you order has been purchased out for delivery, so you know exactly where you're at status-wise in the order, and the deliverer who picked it up has a rating as well based on previous orders he has picked up, and this one is also at a 4, so he's a pretty solid deliverer. Now, it'll also show you real time where the deliverer is at on a map. We will stay kind of zoomed out because that is showing where I am currently, and I'm not going to be showing that on video here, but it does work, I promise. And so then we just wait for the deliverer to make his way over to our current location, and then we will have our food, and the deliverer will actually finish the order over here by clicking order complete. And when he completes the order, it will simply give a rating system. He's completed it. How did he like the customer? Was the customer nice? Did he go crazy with this order? He liked the customer pretty solid, so it was a 5-star customer, and he'll submit his rating. And now this deliver is free to do whatever he would like, go find another order. He's done for the day. That order is completely done for him, and he's good. And on the user side, we can go ahead and log in here. We also have, if we go back to cart, it will show up his rating for the deliverer now. So that way he can rate the deliverer in return. The delivery was fast, it was easy, it was super simple. 5-star deliverer all day long. There we go. Now the order for him is also complete. So he can go back and he can add more things to his cart if he would like, or he can even go into his order history and he can see the order he made. And there it is. He ordered Dorito Nacho Cheese, and with the final price and the amount he ordered, and if there were more items, there would obviously be more items in this list here. There we go. And finally, on the admin side, we can do this. We are now on the admin side of the application. We are at the home screen, and we are just going to show off right quick before we end the video here that you can actually pay your deliverers for the deliveries they made. In this case, there's only one delivery made. We would pay deliverer. He only had one for $4.49, and we would click pay with card, and we would go through, enter the account information, and finish paying our deliverers. Obviously, keep that on a monthly cycle. Whatever the business is, there we go. Okay, we're just going to show off one last thing before we end the video here. Right now, we are on the admin side of the application, and obviously you need to pay your deliverers for any deliveries they have made for you. So to do that, we just go up here, pay deliverer. We see we have one deliverer right now, and he is owed $4.49 for the one delivery he has made. Obviously, if he has made more deliveries, there will be multiple things to pay him for right here, but being the case there's only one, all we have to do is click pay with card, enter the account information, hit pay, it'll go through, and your deliverer now has what he is owed. There we go. That is the gist of ChipShip. I hope you enjoyed watching, and thank you very much.